Moving on to that concept of trials. So if a divorce happened, if a relationship breaks down, if there is some sort of family tension, then remember what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said, مَا أَصَابَ مِن مُصِيبَةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَا فِي أَنفُسِكُمْ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ مِّن قَبْلِ أَن نَبْرَأَهَا إِنَّ ذَلِكَ عَلَى اللَّهِ يَسِيرٌ. No disaster strikes you upon the earth or among yourself except that it is in a register, a book, before we bring it to happening. Right? So anything that happens to you is not a random event, something that was planned and chosen and selected by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for you to happen at that specific time and has a wisdom behind it. لِكَيْ لَا تَعْسَوْا عَلَى مَا فَاتَكُمْ وَلَا تَفْرَحُوا بِمَا آتَاكُمْ. In order that you do not despair, you do not lose hope over what has eluded you and not exult in pride over what He has given you. And what we know from the hadith that all affairs of a mu'min are good for him, right? So either he's going to be patient or he's going to be grateful. So the point being that if something happens, right? Some people go into this immense grief or anxiety and blame game and blaming the spouse or blaming the community and so on and so forth, rather realizing that, hey, that relationship was important. It elevated me, it empowered me, both of the spouses benefited from that. And now Allah has given me this situation, let me benefit from it and let me move on.